Every successful channel you see today once started with 0 views and 0 subscribers, just like you. The difference? They set up their channel the smart way right from the beginning, which helped YouTube understand their content and recommend it to the right audience. So why do some creators hit 1,000 subscribers with just a few videos, while others upload for months and see almost no growth? It's not about having the best camera or fancy editing skills. The real reason is that most beginners skip one crucial step. They don't set up their channel properly. And when that happens, the algorithm doesn't know who to show their videos to. But here's the good news. In 2025, the fastest growing channels aren't grinding harder. They're simply setting things up smarter. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple but powerful channel setup secrets that can boost your growth, even if you're starting with 0 experience. Let's dive in and unlock your channel's full potential. Number 1. Smart channel description. Most beginners get this wrong. Your channel description isn't just for people, it's also for the YouTube algorithm. If it's too short, vague, or messy, YouTube might not understand what your channel is really about. And that means fewer views. Here's an easy format that actually works. First, characters. Include your main keywords so YouTube knows your niche. Next few lines. Clearly explain what your videos are about and how they help viewers. Then, mention what makes your channel different from others. Finally, end with a call to action, like asking people to subscribe. Example, on this channel I share simple step-by-step tips to grow on YouTube. You'll also learn how to use AI tools to make better videos and grow faster. Whether you're just starting or trying to level up, this channel is here to help. Subscribe and join a growing community of smart creators. A clear, helpful description like this tells YouTube who to recommend your videos to and builds instant trust with new viewers. Especially if your channel is new, this small change can lead to big growth. Number 2. Channel keywords. Most creators miss this. This one small setting can make a big difference because it tells YouTube exactly what your whole channel is about. But here's the thing. Most creators skip it completely, or they use it the wrong way. And just to be clear, this is not the same as video tags. Channel keywords are much more powerful when it comes to helping YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right people. How to set it up. Open YouTube Studio, click on Settings, bottom left corner. Go to Channel. Basic info, scroll down to Channel keywords. Now here's the trick. Don't add generic terms like education, vlogs, or entertainment. Those are too broad. Instead, add 15 to 20 specific keywords that include what your channel is about, what kind of videos you make, what your audience is looking for, your channel name and any variations. Example for a YouTube tips channel. How to grow on YouTube, YouTube automation, AI content ideas, Faceless channel tips, monetize fast, YouTube growth strategies. These keywords are very important because YouTube uses these keywords to understand your niche and connect you with the right audience, even if you're just starting out. If you've found this helpful so far, show some love and hit that like button and subscribe. Number 3, handle. The name. Everyone sees your YouTube handle, like @iwithtaki isn't just a name. It's your identity across the entire platform. It shows up in your comments, when others tag you, in YouTube Shorts, on your channel URL, and even in search results. That means your handle is one of the first things people see, and it plays a huge role in whether they click, remember, or ignore your channel. How to pick the perfect handle. Keep it short and easy to type. Long or complicated names are hard to remember and harder to share. Make it match your niche. For example, if your channel is about YouTube growth tips, something like YouTube Tips daily works way better than a random name like Tips 123. Avoid numbers, underscores, or random symbols. These make your channel look less professional and harder to search. Handles like user567xyz are forgettable. Try to match your channel name. If your channel is called AI Tech, your handle should be @AI Tech. It builds brand trust and consistency. When you set this up properly, your very first video has a much better chance of getting recommended to the people who actually care about your content. Number 4, upload defaults. Save time and stay consistent. Here's something most new YouTubers don't know. You don't have to start from scratch every time you upload a video. Instead of rewriting your title, description, tags, and settings for every single video, you can set up upload defaults once, and YouTube will fill them in automatically for you. How to set it up? Go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, bottom left corner. Choose Upload Defaults. Now I'll set up the following. Title format. Create a basic structure with a placeholder. For example, How To and your topic. Or YouTube tips. You can quickly update the topic each time you upload. Description template. Add a reusable template that includes a short intro, what your channel is about, relevant keywords for SEO, optional timestamps, your social links, Instagram, Twitter, etc. A clear call to action like, subscribe for more YouTube and AI tips. Why this matters: saves 15 to 20 minutes every time you upload, keeps your branding and SEO consistent, reduces mistakes and forgotten links, looks more professional. Once this is set up, uploading becomes faster, easier, and way more organized, so you can focus on making great content instead of typing the same stuff over and over. So if you're serious about growing your channel in 2025, don't just focus on content. Set up your channel the smart way and let YouTube do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a growth tip.